Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain day function in Excel. Guys, day function in Excel is used to extract day value from the specified date. Okay, see here in this example we have specified different types of dates, right? So in these dates I want to extract only day values from these specified dates. So these type of scenarios we will use this day function. Okay, now I will show you practically how we can extract day value from the specified dates. Okay, equal to day, select this particular cell. Okay, hit enter button. See, automatically it will extract only day value. Okay, if I drag this, automatically all day values gets extracted from the specified dates. So like this day function will works in Excel. Okay, now I will show you one more example. In this example I want to add this 10 years to this date and generate future date. So these type of scenarios we will use different types of functions. Now I will show you. First we need to use date function. Date function is used to generate dates. Okay, in this date function I will use year. Okay, year is extracted from the year from the specified date. Okay, so year is presented in this date, right? In this cell we have month, day and year value, so that's why I'm selecting this cell. And finally I will add this 10 years to this date. Okay, once we are adding this 10 years to this date, then we will also calculate month, right? So that's why I'm passing month. Okay, then select this cell again. Okay, finally we need to select day. Okay, select this cell again. Okay, close this bracket and hit enter button. Automatically it will give future date. After adding this 10 years date will automatically gets generated. If I drag this, automatically all the dates get generated after adding these years. Okay, so like this day function will works to generate dates based on specified years. Okay, and also if you want to generate each and every month first day, we can use this day function. First what I will do, I will select this cell, then I will extract day value from this specified date. Okay, once we are subtract all these dates, okay, all this day value from this, again this 23 days, finally I will add one day. It means if I mention this A24 in this cell, so already 23 days is presented in this cell. Again I will extract this 23 from this specified date, and again I will subtract. Once subtract, this value become a 0, right? Finally I will substitute one value, so this one is replaced into these values. Okay, now if I drag this, automatically each and every month first date gets generated. Okay, like this day function will works in Excel. And also if you want to generate each month end date, we will use this function. Okay, equal to day, select end of month. Okay, then select start date. So I am selecting this cell. So here we need to pass argument. If you mention 0, it will get end days current month. If you enter 1, it will generate end of the month value, it future month. Right now I want to get end of the day value from current month, so that's why I'm selecting this date. Okay, just hit enter button. See, May has 31st days get generated. So now I drag this, automatically each and every month end dates gets generated. So like this day function will works in Excel. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.